Hello everyone. So, do you understand English? Whatever the other person is speaking to you, you can easily identify the message out of the statement. You can understand everything, but when it comes to you, when you have to speak in front of anybody else in English, then you hesitate. Then you feel underconfident and you doubt your vocabulary, your grammar, or maybe just that you are not confident enough. If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we're going to talk about very simple methods which you can use in your normal life without doing anything extra out of your daily routine. And it will still help you to get better in English, get more confident with the vocabulary which you already have, and will make you more fluent with time. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So, whenever you have to speak in English, you hesitate, and the only reason is not that you don't have enough vocabulary, but you don't have enough confidence in the vocabulary which you have. You already have the required vocabulary, which is required to communicate whatever you're thinking in your mind to other person, but you have never used that vocabulary in your normal life. That is the reason you think that you need more vocabulary or you need more grammar lessons to make you feel that you are fluent in English, or and then you feel confident to speak in front of others. So let's just make this more better for you. Let's just start practicing in a very simple way in our normal day-to-day life and still make the best out of it. What I want you to do is let's start speaking English in a normal day routine. Think like you are a YouTuber. Think that you are a YouTuber. Whatever you do, you have a YouTube channel on that. Okay, you don't have to record, you don't have to do anything. It's just you have to think that thing. Let's say you are a YouTuber, you have a cooking channel, let's say. Okay, and then today you're making any food or anything, and you have to talk about that, whatever you have to talk about the recipe, whatever you are making. Okay, you have to step by step go through with the process which you are doing, but it should be in English. Let's do that. So, for that, you don't need very fancy words. Chop, stir, boil, fry, peel, ingredient, pan, oil, heat. These are the very normal basic words which are required to speak in this scenario. You don't need very fancy words or very different, very out of the box, very flamboyant words. You don't need that. Let's say you will demonstrate cooking of a sandwich or dal rice or maybe Maggie, whatever you are making. And you have to speak every single step very clearly and slowly. There is no rush. Whatever speed or with the pace you are making the food, the same way you have to keep explaining all the things, whatever you are doing. Like, first, I will wash my vegetables. Now, I'll peel and chop my onion. Now the water is boiling. Let it cook for 10 minutes. You get the point. Like now you get the idea what I want to say. Use your daily routine as your practice guide. Use your normal routine as your practice guide, and it will help you. You will not even realize how much you will improve your communication skills, how much you will get more fluent in it, how much you will get more confident with the vocabulary which you already have. It's just the matter of practice. But if you will start doing this on a regular basis, every day, on any routine, whichever you want to do, you will see the difference after some time. If you say if you say that you don't cook or you don't know cooking, it's okay, you do other things. If you clean your house, you can do a tutorial, like just have a vlog. Just keep that in mind that you are a vlogger and you have to tell everything what you are doing. Let's just let's just start with that. English, you have to speak in English while you are cleaning your house. Do that thing, like I'm folding my clothes, I'm dusting the shelves, throwing away the trash. I collect all the garbage in the poly bag with the help of garbage collector and broom. Very simple thing, but it will help you to use your vocabulary, which you already have, and make you feel confident that you don't need extra things. You have enough knowledge already. It's just a matter of practice, right? You can also do it for your morning routine, like I'm brushing my teeth. Let's pick an outfit. I have to leave by 8 a.m. Very simple things, but it will make a difference because it will force you to speak more and more in English, whatever you are thinking, whatever you're doing, just demonstrate whatever you are doing. It can be your morning routine, it can be your night routine, it can be your skincare routine, it can be talking to your pet, like, oh, are you hungry? It's your walk time, let's go out. Very basic. But what we are doing here, we are doing to make us comfortable with the knowledge we have and to speak and use the knowledge we already have. Because if you're not using it, if you're not using the vocabulary, if you're not using what you have already learned, then it is of no use, right? Take it as an assessment that you are a YouTuber and you have to explain whatever you are doing. If you are cooking, then you have a cooking channel. If you are cleaning, then you have a vlog. If you are getting ready, then you have a fashion beauty channel. If you are doing a skincare, then you're a skincare expert. Whatever you are, if you are if you're talking to your pet, if you're talking to your plants, if you're whatever it is, try to find out wherever you can do it and start speaking the normal steps, whatever you are doing. And slowly, slowly, you will see that you'll get more confident, you'll get more fluent. And initially, maybe you will feel hesitant. You have to think a little bit to find the words for few sentences. But slowly, slowly, when it becomes a habit, then you don't have to realize, then you will not even realize. When you are in this practice for a long period of time, you will get confident with your own vocabulary. Whatever vocabulary you have, you will be confident to use it. Whatever you're thinking, you will be able to express it more better, and you will feel that you are confident and fluent in English. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.